Hey there guys, welcome to Glitch Garage. Project for the channel. It's a scooter found out on the side of the road. Somebody didn't want it. I'm assuming that either they got sick of it or the wiring got all messed up for the batteries and they couldn't figure out how to put it back together. Here it is. I'm trying to figure out what to do with it. I want to make it for my kids. It's too big for them currently and it's pretty fast. I got it going probably 30 miles an hour. I want to make it fun for them and make it kind of cool, and if you're gonna go down the road, I want to make you can go to the store, come home, and you still be with battery. Future is gonna bring some cool stuff, I think, and it's for free. So I plan on doing things to it. Who knows? Maybe I sell it after. I don't know yet. Come along and check it out with me. So here it is. I've got a bike lock on it that's pretty huge, and I can't take it off no matter what. I tried taking off the handle grips, but it's stuck in. I'm gonna have to chop it off with a angle grinder probably. This is the battery tray where the batteries were just sitting in there, not connected, and the wiring was all shot. And this seat frame where I think I'm gonna chop it down and take this clip and move it down to wherever I chop it. Because even me, I'm all of 5'3". I have trouble sitting on this thing. I can sit on it like this flat-footed. My kids can't sit on it, so I'm gonna maybe chop it down and make it smaller. But it's pretty fast, like I said, so it's kind of cool. I did a little bit of rewiring here. You can't stand up the batteries because they're too tall for this thing. So I just undo that. So I have to lay them down, and I have them in series here. But the wiring is old and it's janky and it's just barely hanging on. I got to figure out what I want to do next with that. I'm probably going to take these out. They're 12 volt standard sealed batteries. I'm thinking I'm going to convert it to a couple of 18 volt Makita batteries because I have those connectors, and then I could just drill in, place it here, connect the batteries, and then maybe even put storage battery things on this side so I could put two more and just have them sitting there and be a lot lighter. I think it'd be cool because then if you're going down the road and these two batteries die, then you can just swap them out to these two batteries, put them in there, and then put the other ones back in the little slot. And that would be really cool. The problem is, I don't know if it's the speed controller or the voltage regulator or whatever it is. It says it needs a minimum input of 36 volts, obviously, because there's three 12 volt batteries here. And you can charge it here, which is kind of nice that you can charge it inline. It would be kind of cool if there's such a thing, inverter or whatever the power supply thing in there is, if you could have it made for the batteries from a drill, if it makes any difference at all for like running them down, so you don't kill the battery. They have it on RC car batteries. When you go to lithium batteries, RC cars, they have a voltage cutoff. So I'm wondering if you would need to do that with drill batteries. I'm not sure, so I'll have to look into that. This thing is pretty cool. Yeah, it's kind of rusty, and I'm pretty sure it's probably been sitting in their backyard or something for a while. Overall, it's kind of cool. I've never had anything like this as a kid. My kids have that, which I converted to a 20 volt DeWalt battery, and that thing is speedy now. I'm planning on kind of doing the same thing with this, just for the lightness and the ease of the batteries. Yeah, I won't be able to charge it how it sits in there. It'll be better, I think, longevity and easier with those batteries instead of these janky batteries that wiggle around because they don't have really anything to hold them down. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It works. I'm kind of thinking in the future, maybe it's got some cool reflective paint on it, make it glow in the dark as well. So then if you're going down the road, so that's the new project, and got it for free, and I'm hoping to spend very little money on it and have my kids like it. If it turns out really cool in the end, maybe I'll try to sell it. I doubt it because my kids will probably be wanting to ride it all the time. Until next time, guys, stay tuned. See what's going to happen with this thing. See you next time.
Don't go on the road.